Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
I have a doubt.
please tell me.
Why Python is a beginner's language?
Right. So Python has multiple features. Among those, one is Python is a beginner's language. That means a person who is a fresher or who has more career gap or who is from non-IT background like MBA or B Pharmacy or chemistry or civil mechanical, these all people, anyone, if anyone wants to begin their IT career, for them Python is the best choice because Python is simple, easy and a powerful language. So Python is simple because of simple syntax. Means the structure of the program is very simple. That's why all people can make programs very easily. Either the student has zero programming skills or they have the basics. Anyone can easily make the Python program because of simple syntax. The next one is Python easy language because Python supports very less length of code and a easy code and more understandable code because of the simple structure of the statement. That's why all people can easily implement the Python programs. For example, let's take other languages, C, C++, Java, .NET. In that one, to make a simple program, they need at least 4 or 5 lines. The same program in Python takes only 1 line. That's why learning Python very simple than other languages. Next one, Python is powerful because Python supports n number of modules. So modules means what are like a default coding. Means as a developer, we don't need to write multiple lines of code. Just to import that modules and add just a few lines of code. That's enough. That's why Python is what here? A beginner's language. Understand, right?
Thank you.
Okay.